What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. This smartphone from Redmi is one of the most affordable smartphone which you can buy right now, and it's the Redmi A2. Now talking about this phone, then it has some of the key features which you won't be getting in any other smartphone, and even at this price point which is less than 6,000 rupees in India. And also you'll be getting 2 years of extended warranty, and it's the limited time period offer, so you can also check them out in the link in the description below. Now, starting of the phone, is it the phone which you should consider buying for a kid or your old age parents and elderly livings in the family? Let's find out. Now, this phone comes with a base RAM of 2 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage with the processor which is from the MediaTek Helio G36. Now, the screen size of this phone is also a decent one at 6.52 inches, and it's the HD plus display with a 120 Hz of touch sampling rate, and it also comes with dark mode and light mode. But the display of this phone, it's not an LCD, it's a TFT display, so you have to take a hit on this one. But apart from that, the RAM of this phone is 2 gigs, but it can be increased up to 3 gigs of more. Overall it will have 5 gigabytes of RAM, including of the virtual RAM, which generally converts the internal storage, your memory, towards the RAM. But also to consider is that it's just not a plastic back on the phone, as it comes with a leather textured finish, and it comes with the 3 color options which you can definitely check out, which are the green, sea and also the aqua blue. But the phone also comes with a dual camera setup at the back, which might be sometimes a bit of misleading, as it's come with a 8 megapixel of a primary sensor, and there is another one, it's just to make up the numbers, as it's the portrait mode camera. Now, the front camera of this phone comes in the form of the teardrop notch, and it comes with a 5 megapixels of a selfie quality, which can be a decent one, not to expect high on these cameras. But what to expect high on this phone is definitely about its battery life, as it comes with a 5000 milliamp battery inbuilt, and it also has a 10 watt of fast charging, and it's not exactly a fast charging, but the charger is included in the box itself. Now, the phone storage can also be expanded via micro SD slot up to 1 terabyte, and it's a dedicated micro SD slot. So if you wanted more than 32 gigs of internal storage, then you can definitely get in this phone via expanding towards the micro SD card. Now, the phone also comes with Android 13 out of the box, which is right now the latest Android, and in the couple of months of time we'll be getting Android 14. But it's not a completely free-fetched Android 13, as it comes with the Android 13 Go edition, which is made for the low power mode and the lower end smartphones. But phone also comes with a splash resistance, and it does not comes with any kind of warranty over there and any kind of IP certification, so you can also check them out too. So overall, this phone does feel a complete package for 6,000 rupees in India. As the next smartphone in the higher range, we can consider the Redmi A2 Plus, also with the inclusive of the fingerprint scanner, and also the Realme Narzo N53 can also be a good smartphone, considering it comes with a more powerful charging speed, as it comes with a 33 watts of fast charging, and the fingerprint scanner, everything is included inside the box, and also a 90 Hz of smooth display. Now, what do you think about this phone? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom, and we will be making more smartphone related videos for you, whether you should consider buying the smartphones, pros and cons and everything. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.